So how you doing? This is the 78, 79 Monte Carlo restoration project. And, you know, part of getting the body off the frame is removing the everything that's holding it down to the frame. So here's the parking brake lever, which is mine is it's already been loosened. I'm not sure why, but anyhow, this here is the parking brake, the actual cable, which I removed out of the brake itself, the arm, and then it has to go through here, through this other bracket here. But before that would be able to go through there, had to remove this pin, which was right here. So once pulling that out, now it's just a matter of see, there's some play there, pulling it through. Now I'm on the other side of the firewall, getting this brake cable out, emergency brake cable, and it goes and comes from here. Okay, so this is going to come out of here, but I had this rubber. Okay, you can turn. There's this rubber washer, grommet, whatever you want to call it, that needs to come out with it, which makes it extra difficult. But once getting this off, and because I'm going to put all new parts on it, I cut a slit in it and just pull it off. Okay. All right. Once that is off, you are able to pull the emergency brake cable out of the firewall. Cool. Hope that helps.